Good morning, student. Now, the same chapter, vector algebra, and yesterday I have discussed cross product. It's the only basic of the cross products. Now, today is exercise 10.4 and question number first. Now, vector A and vector B are given. Vector A is I cap plus minus 7 j cap plus k cap. Exercise 10.4 and question number first. Then vector A is given and vector B is given. Now vector A is I cap plus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap. And now the vector B is also given. Then 3 I cap minus 2 j cap, 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. And find the magnitude of 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap, I cap minus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap. And now find the magnitude of A cross B. So student, first thing, now find the A cross B. Student, हमने dot product find किया है. Now the cross product of two vector then using determinant. It's a very simple determinant. Now the first row is the I cap, j cap and k cap. Now the second row is the vector A, coefficient of ijk, then 1 minus 7, 7. And now the second vector B, that is a 3 minus 2 and 2. And now expanding along first row, now simple अपन determinant जिसे solve करते थे. And now expanding first row, first column, this is the formula of small a11, capital A11, small a12, capital A12, small a13, capital A13, small a11 is I cap. Now the first row, first column, that is a minus 14, then plus 14. So that is a 0 I cap. First row, second column, 2 minus 21. 2 minus 21, that is a 19j. 2 minus 21 is a 2 minus 21 minus 19, but this is minor cofactor is a plus 19 j cap. And first row, third column, minus 2 minus plus 21, that is again plus 19 k cap. This is A cross B. Now repeat. First row, first column, minus 14 and plus 14, that is 0 I cap. First row, second column, then 2 minus 21, that is a minus 19j. But now this is minor cofactor is a plus. First row, second column, that is a odd sign chain. So first row, second column, 2 minus 21 minus 19, but now right is a plus 19. First row, third column, that is k cap minus 2 plus 21. Minus 2 plus 21, that is a 19. So this is A cross B. But now to find magnitude of A cross B, then magnitude under root is square of 19 plus square of 19. And you know student, square of 19, then 19 into 19. Then 361. So then 361 plus 361, that is 1 over 2, 722. Then is the 19 root 2. This is the magnitude of A cross B. Now the second question, vector A plus B and vector A minus B. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each vector. Now this is very important question. Then find the vector A is given and vector B is given. Vector A is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is vector A, and vector B is also given. Then I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. And first thing, now find A plus B, that is the sum of two vector, and now find A minus B. So what is A plus B? That is a 3 plus 1 is 4 I cap. 2j plus 2j is a 4j cap. And 2 minus 2 plus 0 k cap. Now what is the A minus B? Now find vector A minus vector B, that is a 3 minus I, that is 2 I cap. 2 minus 2 is a 0 j cap. and 2 minus plus 2 is a 4k cap. But now find the unit factor. You know, student, unit vector, what is the formula of unit vector? That is the n cap equals to vector n upon magnitude of n. Same formula. But now find the unit vector perpendicular to each vector a plus b n. Perpendicular, that means is a, now find is a plus b cross a minus b. Now, what is the formula of unit vector perpendicular to a and b? That is the formula is n cap equals to a cross b upon magnitude of a cross b. But now this question is find the perpendicular, find the unit vector perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b. So now a plus b, a minus b, let vector n. Then a plus b cross product is a determinant. Now first row is a I cap, j cap and k cap. Now the second row, that is a formula of coefficient of I cap, j cap, k cap. Now 4, 4, 0. And that then 2, 0, 4. And now is the first row, first column 16 minus 0, that is a 16 I cap. First row, second column, then 16 minus 0, but is a minus 16 j cap. And first row, third column, 0 minus 8, that is a minus 8 cap. So this is the vector n. Now find this is the magnitude of vector n. Then under root square of 16 plus the square of minus 16 plus the square of minus 8. Right? Then square of 16 256 plus 256 plus 64. Then is the under root 576, that is 24. So this is magnitude of n. Now find unit vector. Find the unit vector perpendicular to vector a plus b and vector a minus b. So then formula is n cap equals to vector n upon magnitude of n. So vector n is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap, and magnitude is 24. Now it is common, right? Then 16 upon 4, 8 2s are and 8 3s are. 2 by 3 I cap minus then 2 by 3 j cap and 1 by 3 k cap. So this is the answer, is the unit vector perpendicular to each. This is a very, very important question. Now question number 3rd. Find a unit vector A. Question number 3rd. This is again unit vector, but now then this question number 3rd is again important. Cross product is a very simple. First thing is a new formula. What is the A cross B? That is the magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta and cap. Cross product में A cross B is not equals to minus B cross A, right? Commutative law will be not applied in cross product. Cross product में what is the condition of two vectors are parallel, then A cross B is 0. But now is the question number 3rd. Find a unit vector A making angle pi by 3 with I cap, j cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and acute angle theta with k cap, and find theta, hence the component of vector A, right? So now look here, question number 3rd. First thing, find a unit vector A, right? This is diagram. Find the vector A, but now this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is vector A, and vector A make angle alpha with x-axis, angle beta with y-axis, and gamma with z-axis. So now alpha is given pi by 3, right, with I cap, that is x-axis, beta with make angle j cap, so is a pi by 4, and k cap, that is gamma, is given acute angle theta, let theta. So now A is a unit vector, that means magnitude is 1 is given, and find the theta. तो स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट थिंग अल्फा बीटा गामा गिवन है, उस कंडीशन में वेक्टर ए कैसे फाइंड किया जाएगा. नाउ फाइंड डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. You know student, alpha beta gamma is given, then L equals to cos alpha, and where alpha is pi by 3, that means 60, and cos 60 is a 1 by 2, right? So L equals to 1 by 2. M equals to cos beta. Then beta is pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is a 1 by root 2. N equals to cos gamma, and where gamma is theta, that is a cos theta. So now vector A is Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. Right? So laminar direction cosine is 1 by 2 I cap, 1 by root 2 j cap, and cos theta k cap. Now, according to question, then given vector A is a unit vector, that means magnitude is 1. So under root square of 1 by 2, 1 by 4, square of 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and square of cos, that is a cos square theta. So now squaring on both the side, then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is a 3 by 4, then plus cos square theta equals to 1, then cos square theta equals to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is a cos square theta is 1 by 4. Then cos theta equals to plus minus 1 by 2. But which value is now taking positive, we are taking negative. Then theta is acute angle, now taking is a positive. Then cos की table में 1 by 2 value is a cos pi by 3. So then theta is also pi by 3. That is the first answer. But now second answer, now find the component of vector A. Vector A is given 1 by 2 I cap, right? 1 by root 2 j cap, and cos theta is a half, right? So that is a 1 by 2 k cap. Now component of vector A, which is scalar component, that is a 1 by 2 comma 1 by root 2 comma 1 by 2. But vector component, that is a 1 by 2 I cap comma 1 by root 2 j cap and 1 by 2 k cap. So first three questions are very, very important question. Now question number 4. Show that vector A minus vector B cross vector A plus vector B, right, equals to twice of vector A cross vector B. Now proof करना है. Now checking left hand side, vector A plus B cross vector A minus B. Now look here, this is taking left hand side A minus B cross A plus B. Now question number 4, then vector A plus taking left hand side is A minus B, vector A minus vector B cross vector A plus vector B. Simply up now multiplied, cross multiplied by distributive law. Vector A is cross product by vector A plus vector B. Same minus vector B is a cross product of vector A plus vector B. Then is again distributive law in cross product A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A and minus plus minus B cross B. And cross product में dot product में A dot A is a magnitude of A square. But cross product, what is the same vector of cross product? A cross A is 0, B cross B is 0, and cross product में A cross B is not equals to B cross A. A cross B equals to minus B cross A. So B cross A को अगर मैं A cross B लिखता हूँ तो negative positive, right? And then A cross B plus A cross B is a twice of A cross B. This is right hand side. Hence proof. Right? Same student, question number 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, all are very easy, totally depend on formulas. Cross product is a maximum depend on formulas. So now look here, question number 5th. Find the value of lambda and mu, and now cross product is given, two vectors are given is equals to 0 vector. आपको simply cross product find करना है using determinants and find the value of lambda. Now equate करके. Save 7th question, vector A is given, vector B is given, vector C is given, right? And now show that now taking left hand side and right hand side both are equal. But question number 9, 10th, 11th, all are easy. Question number 9, find the area of triangle, then A, B, C are given. Now 3 vertices are given and find the area of triangle. Question number 9th. Question number 9th, now this is the triangle. Now all vertices are given, but now in Cartesian form. A point, B point is given 2, 3, 5, and C point is given 1, 5, 5. First thing now, write it in vector form. Right now, position vector of point A, position vector of point A. That means now write is the vector OA, 1 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 2 k cap. And vector position vector of point B. Now write is the vector OB is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. And position vector of point C, that is a vector OC, is 1 I cap plus 5 j cap and plus 5 k cap. Now find the area of triangle. You know, student, what are the formula of area of triangle? Right, when two adjacent sides are given, then area of triangle ABC. Now the formula 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B. You know, student, A cross B, that means vector A and vector B are adjacent side. So now first thing, now find adjacent sides. Suppose अगर मैं B point से adjacent side find करता हूँ, that is a BC and BA. Right? Now find vector BC. Now find vector BA. You know vector BC, that is a vector OC minus vector OB. Vector BA, that is the OA minus OB. Right? B point से BC and BA, this is the adjacent sides. Right? कोई भी दो फाइंड A, B and AC फाइंड कर सकते हो, CA, B and CA फाइंड कर सकते हो, adjacent side vector A and vector B are. Now find BC and BA, that is a BC is a BC and BA, this is vector A and this is vector B. Now find two adjacent sides, OC minus OB, OC minus OB, that is a minus I cap, 5 minus 3 plus 2j cap and 5 minus 5, 0k cap. And now find OA minus OB, OA minus OB minus I cap, j minus 3 minus 2j cap and 2 minus 5 minus 3k cap. And now this is find A cross B. उसके बाद डिटरमिनेंट से A cross B फाइंड करना है, and now find magnitude of A cross B and substitute this identity. Same is the parallelogram. There are two formula. Area of parallelogram, find the question number 10, find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent side are given. अब adjacent side is given, so what are the formula of, then is the same magnitude of A cross B. But A and B are diagonals are given. Question number 11, 12, that is the formula 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B. So student, please solve exercise 10.4. This is very easy exercise, right? Solve all question. Thank you.